In this video, I'm gonna show you how to edit your documents online for free. So let's get started. Alright, I'm inside Adobe Express. Click on Documents, and I'm gonna go through each tool one by one. First we have Convert to PDF. You can convert all these different formats into a PDF file. Let's try it out. I'm gonna upload this docs file. And that's it, click on Download. Let me open the file. As you can see, it has converted into a PDF file. Simple as that. Next option is Edit PDF file. I'm gonna upload a PDF file. You can zoom it from here. Now to edit text, you simply click on it and change the text as you want. You can also change the font style. You can add a new text from this button. Click anyway and type your text. You can make it bold, change the font size, and do the styling as you want. Next, you can insert an image if you want. If you already have some images in the PDF, you can rotate it and also replace the image from this button. You can also add comments. You can highlight some text. Change the highlight color if you want. If you press and hold your mouse button on the highlight tool, you can select the underline tool. And you also have the strike through tool. Pretty cool. You can select the freehand drawing tool and use it to draw whatever you want. Click this button to undo something. Once done, click on Download. Moving on, you have the combined files, and you can merge all these file formats into one PDF file. Let's try it out. First, I'm gonna add this docs file. Then I'll add this PDF file, and I want to add this PNG file. You can see all the files are added. Click on Download, and it will combine these into one PDF file. Next, we have Organize Pages. You can upload all these file formats. I'm gonna upload this PDF file. You can see all of its pages here. Now, changing the sequence of the pages is very simple. You just need to select a page and drag it to your required page number. You can also select multiple pages at a time. Drag and place them to a particular numbering. You can also rotate the pages from here. Once done, click on Download. Next we have is Convert from PDF. You can upload a PDF file and convert it into all these other file formats. I'm gonna convert this PDF file into JPG images. If I open the folder, you can see all the pages saved as image files. Lastly, we have the Convert to JPG. What it can do is convert your PNG files into JPG images. I'm gonna upload this PNG file, and it's ready to be downloaded in JPG format. So these are all very helpful tools to edit your documents very quickly. Try it yourself and share your experience in the comment section. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.